see you, let's go get it.
Welcome to all my gym bots. Subscribe, click that bell. About to do some legs. Let's get it in. Alright, y'all, we're about to do a new leg workout. As you can see, there's no weight up here right now. Get a good glimpse at that. There's no weight up here right now. What you need to do before you do this exercise, it's like doing squats upside down. So before you do this exercise, you have to actually figure out how to click it out, click the Tone My Gym Box machine out, and click it back in. So in order to practice this, do it without no weight. Yeah, always have these clamps here, because you may miss it and you go all the way down. You don't have this clamp, boom, it's over. We don't want that. So this is what we're gonna do. I don't even know what you call this, but you can look it up. Go like this. So, leg went back. My feet went back. And you boom, boom, boom. No weight. I ain't got no weight yet. This is actually just a practice for your legs, so you can get adjusted before you put weight up there, because you don't want to put no weight up here you don't know how to click it off and on. Alright, boom. Now I'm getting ready to click it back in, y'all. Boom. See that? Boom. Out. In. Out. See my feet? Out. In. Boom. Safe zone. Now we're about to put some weight on. Finally got some weight up here right now, y'all. As you can see, turn the camera this way for me. 25 starting out. You gotta learn how to get adjusted to it. You practice first before you start putting weight up here. And boom, boom, and it fall on you and then it's over. But like I said, you always wanna have these safety clamps. So just in case you miss it and it gets too heavy, it will not fall on you. So make sure you have these. Never have them all the way down. Always clamp them like this. Even when you're doing squats or anything up here, make sure you have those clamps, because I'm in the safe zone. Now we're about to do a little weight up here. I'm 25 right now, so just a warm up. These are squats. I call them squats upside down. Or leg presses upside down. I don't know. I don't know. Who cares, as long as it gets the job done, right? Do some front squats. It's like doing the hold the bar. You gotta, hey my goodness, y'all know that. Y'all know all that stuff. Hey, that's how you hold it right here in the shoulder. Hey my goodness, and you go down. That's what we gonna do. You get the weight right on the shoulder, on the shoulder. Quad stitches. Slow, fast. Do 5 slow, 5 fast. 5 slow, 5 fast. This is how we do it. As you can see, there's not a lot of weight up here. But trust me, it will burn. It's gonna burn. 5 slow, just like that. leg press. We're gonna get that done. And after the leg press, we're gonna superset. Leg press, quad extension. But right now, we're gonna just do the leg press right now. All the way down, back up. Leg extensions. About to superset right now. Here we go. Jefferson's. Just work your hamstrings, your glutes. This is like one of my favorites, man. Yeah, I mean, it works everything, man. Like your hamstrings, your glutes. If you're having problems with hamstrings or glutes, do these. I'm telling you. Like, I'm not playing. It works. I'm telling you. Some people hate them, but even with the women, you want a big booty? Do this. You gotta squeeze at the top. You want a Nicki Minaj butt? Gotta squeeze at the top. How you doing? You set it up? Down. Squeeze at the top. Squeeze at the top. Yep. Leg day complete, man. Y'all take note. Do whatever you want to do with the exercises. Like I said, just be careful. You get it done. Don't forget, you gotta do lower body, not just up. You wanna look good from head to toe. You know the slogan, it's on the outside it counts. Shout out to the cameraman that's holding the camera. Man, then y'all already know what it is. Subscribe, man. Tell everybody about it, man. Chill.